What's going on, guys? I've got a customer's Ford Bronco here. I've got Garrett back in the shop. We are going to be going over our brand new SDHQ built billet battery terminal and distribution kit. Now, Garrett, why do we have to come out with a distribution kit?
So the new Broncos feature a battery sensor on their negative terminal, which unfortunately means we can't run our pre-existing negative terminals that we have. So what we've gone and done, we've gone and created a negative distribution block that will bolt onto a factory body ground, and then it'll add all the accessory mounting positions so you can still run all those lights, compressors, and any other accessories you want to run on your Ford Bronco.
Awesome.
And still have the room for them on your battery.
Very cool. Now, Garrett, what do I need to install this kit?
You're going to need a mallet, flathead screwdriver. We're going to need a 7/16, ½ inch, a 9/16, a 10, and a 12 millimeter. You're going to want a 9/16 wrench and a ½ inch wrench, and then a ratchet, of course, to use those sockets. You may find pliers useful when removing some of the other stock wires from the vehicle as well.
So pretty standard install. We'll go ahead and get this on the truck. These are ready for purchase on our website. Make sure to check them out. Like always, we appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.